Wake up stretches, your power switch of the day. Start your day strong with just few minutes of simple warm-ups. These gentle stretches will shake off your sleepiness, increase blood flow, loosen stiff muscles, and fires up your energy levels, whether you're gearing up for a workout or simply a busy day. Morning stretches will prepare your body for smooth movement and mind for sharp focus. Namaste, this is Kiran Maya, a certified yoga trainer. If you find my videos informative and useful, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe for instant notifications. So, while late, let's get up in learning our wake up stretches. So, we'll get onto our mat. Sit comfortably in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Take a deep breath in, slowly raise your hands up, interlock your fingers, palms facing towards the ceiling. Stretch your spine as much as possible. Breathe out with your hands down. Breathe in, raise your hands up, stretch your spine as much as possible. Breathe out, bring your hands down. Breathe in up. Repeat this at least 10 times. Breathe out, down. Now place your right hand on your left knee and left hand behind on the floor and twist yourself towards the left side as much as possible. Feel the twist in your spine. Now let's do it other side. Left hand on right knee, right hand behind on the floor and twist yourself towards the right side. Twist as much as possible. Repeat this also at least 10 times. Now, place your right hand on the mat. Take a deep breath in, raise your left hand. Breathe out, bend towards your right side. Place your elbow on the mat. Bend towards the right side. If possible, try to touch the mat. Breathe in, up. Let's do it other side. Left hand on the mat. Raise your right hand up. Breathe out, down. Try to touch your hand on the mat. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Repeat this also at least 10 times on each side. Now, raise your both hands up, take a deep breath in. Breathe out and bend down. Place the palms on the floor, forehead on the floor. Try to walk your fingers forward. Stretch your spine and stay there. Hold for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and slowly get up. Now, interlock your fingers from behind. Stretch your arms backwards. Open up your chest. Take a deep breath. And relax. Let's do once more. Stretch your arms behind. Open up your chest as much as possible. Take a deep breath in and out. Repeat this at least 10 times. Now extend your leg towards the right side. Turn your torso towards the right. Raise both hands up and try to touch your feet, toes, feet, ankle or shin, whichever is possible. While bending down, don't hunch your back and bend in this way. Try to bend from the hips. Raise your hands up. First, bend the hips first. And then bring the body downwards. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this at least 10 times. And then finally, hold your feet, bend forward Try to place your elbows down and forehead on the knee and stay for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now breathe in slowly, raise up. Let's do it on the other side. Extend your left foot on the mat. Turn your torso towards the left side. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Stretch your spine as much as possible and bend from the hip. Bend your hips first. Bend your hips first, don't hunch back as much as possible. Hold your toes, feet, ankle or shin, whichever you are comfortable, and come down. Repeat this at least 10 times. And hold. Try to bring your elbows down and forehead on the knee. Hold for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now breathe in and simply, slowly come back. Now extend the other foot also forward and sit in Dandasana. Now let's do boating exercise. So it's like rowing a boat. Extend your hands forward and start rowing the boat. 1, 2, 3. Try to bend as much as possible till your toes and come back. This will strengthen your core. Repeat this at least for 10 times. And now, bend your right knee, interlock your fingers below the knee and extend your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bend your knee a little bit, bring your leg forward. Try to hold your feet. And now extend your leg, straighten your knees and bring your leg as close as possible to yourself and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slowly release. While practicing, you can hold up to the count of 10 and even more based on your comfort level. Now let's do it on the other side. Interlock the fingers below your knees and bring your thighs forward closer to your chest and straighten your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your knee closer to yourself and try to hold your feet with both the hands and straighten your knee up. Bring the leg forward as close as possible towards yourself and stay there for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly bend your knee, release your neck and extend it forward. Now let's do Paschimottanasana. So for which, take a deep breath in, raise both hands up, bend forward from the hip. First, always bend your hip forward like this instead of bending your shoulders first. Bending shoulders is not a correct way. You need to strengthen and straighten your spine. Stretch it, bend hip first. Raise hands, bend hip first. And try to touch your toes, feet, ankle or shin, whichever is possible. Let's repeat it. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now one last time. Hold and try to put your forehead on the knees. Hold for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathing in slowly. Come up. Now come to Padmasana. From here, join both the soles. Interlock your fingers and hold your feet. And do butterfly. Do it with a smiling face. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can go up to the count of 30, 50, 100 based on your comfort level. And finally, let's do few neck stretches. These neck stretches can be included at the beginning or at the end also. End in the sense, end of the warm-ups, not the exercise. Join palms in front of the chest. Take a deep breathe in. Raise your leg up. Down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. Chest, chin, chin to chest. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. Chin to chest. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Breathe in center. Now hold your left shoulder with the right hand and bend your head towards your right side. Stretch as much as possible. Feel a nice stretch in your neck region. If required, place your hand on your shoulder for the support. Now let's do other side. Hold your right shoulder with the left hand and bend towards left side. Hold your right shoulder with right hand for the support. Feel the nice stretch in your neck area. These are the basic stretches that can be done in the morning. If you see, I'm sweating with these basic warm-ups. So I'm all warmed up. So to gear up for the further workout or with my daily activity chores. Thank you so much.